Crown Royal, baby. Jaime has to work tomorrow, but he's drinking tonight. Right? Hold on for him. Hold on. All right, whatever you have in your hand, let's finish it up. Get a new one ready. You drink it with a band. Come on. I'm going to totally cheese this next song. Thank you very much. If I do, it's your fault. Ruben Martinez! Over here on the guitars. Down the front. What's up, John? How you doing? Awesome people in the house tonight. Everybody, you know who you are.
Just remember
That's some old school shit. Dogs don't do much old school shit, but we're gonna do another one right up in here. My bad. That's all me. Don't blame the sound guys. Hey, do you want a killer job out there or what? Sounds killer up here on stage. All right.